Church bell, English, 260. Spiritual guidelines to lead a life blessed. Kindly watch YouTube channel carefully. Kindly offer your wishes with a comment and share, make sure for subscription. Psalm 1 verses 1 to 3 connect Christ's Sermon on the Mount. It is in Matthew chapter number 5 verses 3 and above. This psalm teaches us ways to be happy in this world and also to be happy in heaven. All of us want to live a blessed life as good people. What we need to do. In Psalm 1 verse 1 says, happy those who do not follow the counsel of the wicked, do not go the way of sinners, and do not sit in the company of scoffers. One who seeks counsel from the wicked takes risk missing the Lord's teaching and commandments. Wicked counsel draws its ideas on malicious life.